Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix not enough Solana issue on Phantom Wallet. So the explanation to that is anytime you do a swap on Phantom Wallet, and this is the same with every single chain that you need. So you need the main blockchain's currency and with Sol, in this case Solana, in order to facilitate any transaction. If you don't have enough Solana, you won't be able to make any swap. So you always need to leave a little Solana in order to swap. No matter what coin is it doesn't make a difference. That's the reason why it's saying you don't have enough Sol. So, because you literally don't have the currency. So, in order to facilitate the transaction, you always leave enough Solana. So, I recommend leaving about $2 worth of Solana all the time. Otherwise, it can be difficult to get into certain transaction. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.